Freshwater pearls are pearls that are grown on pearl farms using freshwater mussels. Since mussels are organic hosts, pearls can grow up to 10 times bigger than those made by saltwater oysters, naturally. And, luster freshwater pearls produce astounding. Because mussels contain no shell-bead nucleus, freshwater cultured pearls are pure. Each one can produce multiple pearls with each production cycle. Plus, the entire freshwater pearl cultivation process requires much less advanced surgical skills for full cultivation than ocean pearl cultivation. This helps to make these pearls easier to cultivate and less expensive than other pearls, increasing their freshwater pearls' value. The most valuable pearls occur spontaneously in the wild, but are extremely rare. These wild pearls are referred to as natural pearls. Cultured or farmed pearls from pearl oysters and freshwater mussels make up the majority of those currently sold. Imitation pearls are also widely sold in expensive jewelry, but the quality of their iridescence is usually very poor and is easily distinguished from that of genuine pearls. Pearls have been harvested and cultivated primarily for use in jewelry.